How to fix Facebook story music problem. So if you're facing a problem with the Facebook story music, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and then if you tap on create story, and you can simply choose a photo or image that you would like to add to your story. And after choosing, now you can go to music, which is on the upper right. So if you go to music, then you will have a bunch of music options, and then you can add some music. But if you're facing a problem with the music, then first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problem. And even after checking the internet connection, if you don't fix that problem, then you can open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications, and then open up your Facebook and go for storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But even after clearing the cache, if your problem doesn't fix, then you can open up your Play Store, and then after opening your Play Store, you can search for Facebook on the search bar, and then if you have an update under your Facebook, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Facebook application. And even after updating, if that issue still exists, then you can simply restart your device. After restarting, you can uninstall your Facebook application, and then after uninstalling, you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can log into your account, and that might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.